Before starting today's meditation session, let's take a few moments to express gratitude to our prana, the breath of life. Breath is a powerful medium we possess that, if managed correctly, can help us to take control of our life and help us to become more mindful and peaceful every day. So with that thought in mind, let us begin this breath of life meditation. Make whatever adjustments you need to make in order to feel at ease and be comfortable. Take a few moments here to just relax the body. Come to a place of stillness and ease. Let's start by taking a few deep breaths. So, breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Doing that one more time. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Continue for a few more breaths at your own pace. If you find it comfortable, you can place one hand on your navel region and another hand on your heart center. Both these points are very important parts in the body that can tell you a lot about how we are feeling at any given point of time. Notice if this posture helps you to feel a sense of movement of the breath. Allow your breath to become as slow and long as possible. As you breathe in and out, notice the physical sensations in your body. Feel the expansion and contraction of your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen. Feel the subtle sensations at the tip of your nostrils. Notice the sensations on your face and let the muscles of the face just relax completely. Feel the sensation in your scalp, crown of your head, and back of your head. Continue to observe these physical sensations in your body as you continue to deepen your breath in and out. Now choose one place where you feel the breath the most and make this your anchor point. Observe the movement, the sensation, and the experience of your breath on this part of your body. Notice how the state of your mind changes as you continue focusing on this anchor point that you have chosen. If you notice your mind wandering off, bring your attention back to this anchor. Focus on deepening and lengthening your breathing as much as you can. If you have more time, stay with this exercise for a few more moments, and whenever it feels right, gently open your eyes and relax.